Hi guys, in our today's eating competition, we have a native salad, we have native jollof rice. This is our native jollof rice. This is our native salad. We have white rice and stew. We have egg. We have drinks. As the game starts, if you are lucky to pick any of the foods on the table, you can as well pick any drink of your choice and use it and eat the food. We are going to throw ball inside the basket, and whoever gets it, we come and continue eating. Eat chicken, you eat native jollof rice, you eat salad, native salad, you eat white rice and stew. Wow! Nearly does not kill a bird. Join the line. Wow.
Hey, it's MJ from TV, bringing the vibes for you and me.
Wow.
Yeah. Whether it's good news or something sad, we give it all we have.
Wow.
So come on, let's dance and feel the beat. No matter the news, we won't be discreet. Feeling the rhythm, catching the always go. Marriage break up or love that's lost. We're here to help you floss. This morning a friend or a family member gone. You'll be alright.
Oh no! Nearly. Nearly. Is he saying about me? Oh no. Keep trying, keep trying. Oh, nearly does not kill a bird.
People
Nearly. Oh, keep trying. Keep trying. You were getting it the other day. It seems you don't want to eat this food.